All right, listen up. We got a way to help monetize your channel even more, and it's super simple. If you're a YouTube content creator or live streamer that's in good graces with a YouTube partner program, aka the YPP, and you live in one of these locations here on screen, the good news is you're now allowed to receive super thanks. Now, if you're not familiar with what super thanks are, it's okay. It's brand new, just got released this week, but it allows users who watch your content, if they find entertainment or value, or perhaps you answered a question, in the bottom right-hand corner is a brand new button called thanks. Users can click on this, then they can send you a one-time transaction of funds with a personalized colored comment. When they click send, they will also get a one-time animation. The cool part about this, it's a good way for them to help support you, and on the back end, you can see this colorized, personalized message that allows you to build a relationship or give them a little extra love when you reply back to that comment. Now, since this is available for everyone, it's not set up by default, which is why every YouTuber needs to do this at the end of this video here. To set up to receive super thanks, all you need to do is go to your YouTube studio, go to monetization, underneath supers, all the way to the right-hand side, you need to turn on super thanks. Once you do that, on all of your past videos, current videos, and future videos that you have, you will now have that super button, which people can now click on and send you super thanks. Now, before you get all jazzed and click off the video, there are some restrictions and requirements, which I'm gonna put down in the description below so you can read. Some things would include some music channels are not allowed to have super thanks. And if you're a live streamer, you can't accept super thanks during the live stream because you have other ways of monetizing your stream. However, when you end that live stream and it becomes a VOD and people watch it, then they can start to give you super thanks. But all that nitty gritty stuff I'll put down below. Super thanks is awesome. I recommend you turn it on right away. Heck, I already got on my art channel. I got my first super thanks within the first day. So this works as long as you provide a value, give some people some entertainment, or heck, maybe just answer that question that somebody may have taken hours, days, or weeks to look for, but you answered it in just moments. So make sure you turn on super thanks. If you need any more information on how to make your channel or live stream better, gonna do you a favor, put some videos over here to the side, so make sure you check them out. Talk to y'all later, and of course, peace.